This is Vincent Lambert, and over 10 years ago, he was involved in a road accident. That road accident paralysed him, and now, since then, he's been kept alive in hospital, being fed intravenously, and there has been a huge debate as to what should happen next. He was a nurse, so he worked in the medical practitioner field himself, but what happened is his parents and his wife were split on what should happen next to him. In 2013, a French court ruled a doctor had no doubt that Vincent Lambert had not wished before his accident to live under such conditions. Now, it's difficult because in France, euthanasia is illegal, but you can put someone into a deep sedative state and remove treatment. That was what his wife wished for him, but this case fell down. Why? Because his parents said, we object to this. This is not what we want to happen. Then there becomes this lengthy and very emotionally wrought campaign as to what should happen to him next. That ruling fell down. And then in 2015, his parents posted this video onto YouTube. Now, it shows him talking to, well, people are speaking to him on this phone, and it showed him opening his eyes and moving. And they argued to say, look, he's responsive. We shouldn't remove his life from him. But the doctors looking after him said, no, this is manipulative. This isn't reflective, actually, of how he's actually treated. The parents were accusing the hospital of murder, said they were trying to kidnap him. And then their doctors, when the European Court of Human Rights said you have to withdraw treatment, didn't. So then you get stuck. And the latest development is this. The doctor said he was going to stop treatment starting today. So, of course, it's very emotionally wrought. The parents, as far as they're concerned, say this isn't over. Protesters went outside the hospital yesterday and said you should continue feeding and hydrating him. This is his mum who's accusing the hospital really of, they say this is euthanasia in disguise. It's like Vincent is on death row. Now, not everyone is campaigning for this to be the outcome. This is the head of the Association of the Right to Die in France, who said it's because of the downfall of the legislation in France that this happened. In Belgium, he says the parents couldn't have objected to his wife, but that is certainly what his parents are doing. They say, we don't want our son to go through this. If he can stay alive and he can be kept alive in hospital, that's what should happen.